This is your multimedia weather briefing for Saturday evening, November 16th, 2013, from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri. There is severe weather possible tonight, mainly over northern Missouri and west central Illinois in our area. The primary threats are large hail and damaging winds, though tornadoes cannot be ruled out. On this map, you can see the slight risk area for severe weather tonight, highlighted in yellow, and though other areas could see some storms that develop outside that primary risk area are not generally expected to be severe. Severe weather is possible once again on Sunday. The greatest chance for severe weather over our area will be over eastern Missouri eastward into Illinois. The time frame we're looking at for severe weather is during the late morning and afternoon hours for us. Any storms that do develop are expected to develop and become severe very quickly. The primary threats associated with any storms that develop are large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. In addition to severe weather expected on Sunday, strong gusty winds are also expected to persist across the region, warranting a wind advisory which is in effect from 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. on Sunday. Winds will be southerly early in the day, becoming more westerly by the late afternoon. Sustained winds 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting up to 45 miles per hour are expected, though the stronger winds should diminish not long after sunset. This concludes your multimedia weather briefing on Saturday evening, November 16th. For any questions and additional information, feel free to check our website at www.weather.gov/St. Louis. You can also find us on Facebook and on Twitter.